Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Update error 0x80070002. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update and click Run. Wait for the scan to finish and apply any fixes it finds. Restart your computer and try updating again. If the error is still there, continue with the next step. Now we will reset Windows Update components. Click on the Start menu, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Stop. Next, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right-click it and select Stop. Then, find Cryptographic Services, right-click it and select Stop. After stopping these services, open File Explorer. Go to this PC, then Local Disk C, open the Windows folder. Find the Software Distribution folder. Right-click on it and rename it to softwaredistribution.old. If you are asked for permission, click Yes. Now go back to the Services app. Find Windows Update, right-click on it, and select Start. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Cryptographic Services. Close the Services window and restart your computer. After the restart, open Settings and check for updates again. If the update still fails, install it manually. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the official site, search for the update number that failed. Download the correct version for your system and install it by double-clicking the file. These steps should fix the Windows 11 update error. Thanks for watching.